In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out TradingView. If you've been working on charts or checking your dashboard, and you're ready to end your session, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to sign out safely and confidently. Before we begin, make sure any changes to your charts are saved to the cloud so you don't lose recent edits. Logging out won't delete your work, but unsaved drawings or indicators can be lost if they weren't saved beforehand. To start, make sure you're already logged in. Then open any tab that shows a chart or your main dashboard. It doesn't have to be a specific page. Any standard TradingView page with the top navigation bar will do. The reason this matters is that the account controls, including the sign out option, live in that top bar, so being on a page where it's visible makes the process smooth and straightforward. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. Depending on your account, this might appear as your avatar, your initials, or a generic user icon. It's typically next to other quick access tools and notifications. Clicking this profile icon opens a small menu tied to your account. Think of it as your personal control center. It's where you can jump to profile settings, manage subscriptions, and, most importantly for today, find the option to sign out. In the menu that appears, choose Sign Out. As soon as you click it, TradingView will end your current session on that browser. You'll usually be taken back to the sign-in page or the home page. Your saved charts, watch lists, and layouts remain associated with your account and will be there the next time you log in. If you had multiple TradingView tabs open, they may update to reflect that you've signed out. This is normal and simply confirms that your session has ended. If the menu doesn't open right away, give the page a moment to finish loading, and make sure the window isn't zoomed in so much that the icon is hidden off screen. Also keep in mind that signing out of TradingView doesn't sign you out of any third-party providers you might use to log in. It just ends your TradingView session. For extra privacy, especially on a shared computer, consider closing the browser tab after signing out. And that's all there is to it. Open any chart or your dashboard, click your profile icon, and select Sign Out. Simple, fast, and secure. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you wrap up your TradingView session with confidence.